Hello students, today I am going to teach you matrices and different types of matrices. What is a matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of elements in rows and columns. There will be some rows and some columns. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Rectangular arrangement of elements in rows and columns. So there are two rows. Horizontal lines are rows and vertical lines are columns. So there are two rows and three columns. And so these are the rows. There are two horizontal rows and three vertical columns are there. So these horizontal lines are known as rows and vertical lines are known as columns. So the order of the matrix will be 2 by 3. So order will be 2 rows and 3 columns. So the order is 2 by 3. Similarly, we can find out any matrices of different orders. So the constructions of the matrix will be A. This element is first row, first column. So we can denote it by A11. This is A12. This element is A13. This is second row, first column. So 2-1. This is A22 and this element is A23. Similarly, we can find out the other elements, position of the other elements. Now, different types of matrices. There are different types of matrices. Are there? Number 1, row matrix. What is a row matrix? A matrix is said to be a row matrix having only one row. So, as for example, if I give you 1, 2, 3, this is a row matrix of order 1 by 3, one row. Number 2, column matrix. What is a column matrix? A matrix is said to be a column matrix having only one column. So we can define it by like that: 2, 4, 6. So having only one column. So the order of the matrix will be 3 by 1, one column. So that's why it is known as column matrix. After that, you have to know square matrix. A matrix is said to be square if its rows and columns are same. So next we are going to find out square matrix. A matrix is said to be square matrix if number of rows and columns are equal. As for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 4. So here 3 rows and 3 columns are there. So this is a square matrix of order 3 by 3. Or you can say A is said to be a square matrix if rows and columns are equal. Or you can say a square matrix of order 3. 3 means 3 by 3. After that, we have to know diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix, a square matrix should be a square matrix whose non-diagonal elements are 0. Diagonal means A11, A22, A33, A44. These are diagonal elements. In diagonal matrix, all the non-diagonal elements will be 0. Only diagonal elements will be there, and diagonal elements will be maybe 0 or may not be, but not all together. So we can write here 1, 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0, suppose 3. This is a diagonal matrix whose non-diagonal elements are all 0 and diagonal elements are all there, 1, 4, 3. Diagonal elements may be also 0 but not all together. It can be 1, 0, 0 but not all together. All 0 means it will be a 0 matrix or null matrix. Or you can write in short form, diag 1, 4, 3. This is a diagonal matrix. Now we are going to find out 0 matrix or null matrix. 0 matrix. 0 matrix or null matrix. 0 matrix, a matrix said to be null matrix if all the elements are 0. So we can write it denoted by O. So you can define it by 0 matrix. 0 matrix means all the elements will be 0. 0, 0, 0. So order 3 by 3. Next will come scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. S-C-A-L-A-R. Scalar matrix. What is a scalar matrix? A square matrix whose non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements are all equal. That means scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements are equal. As for example, if I write A, suppose 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 2. This is a scalar matrix whose diagonal elements are all equal. It is also a diagonal matrix. Diagonal elements are all equal. Scalar matrix. Then will be identity matrix. Identity or unit matrix. What is it? It is a diagonal matrix whose diagonal elements are all 1, unity. 1 1 1. So this is a diagonal matrix which is denoted by 1. That's an identity matrix which are denoted by I. And the order of the identity matrix is 3, so we can write I3. Similarly, I2 will be 1 0 0 1. This is I, identity matrix of order 2. Thank you.